Like millions of Americans, I used to suffer from disposal installation displeasure. Every time I installed a garbage disposal, I found myself angry, straining, in pain, and frustrated with the whole process. Then I discovered Dr. Disposal. One treatment by Dr. Disposal eliminates all the symptoms of disposal installation displeasure. Instead of lifting from below, with Dr. Disposal, I just set the disposal under the sink, then hook, lift, and lock it into place. Dr. Disposal makes it so easy.
If you suffer from moderate to severe disposal installation displeasure, don't accept it as normal. You don't have to suffer anymore. Dr. Disposal is the better way. Ask yourself if Dr. Disposal is right for you. Side effects may include more laughter, less frustration, extra time on your hands to take a nap, play golf, get to know your kids, go on a walk, play a game of Risk, or call your grandma.
I'm sure glad I discovered Dr. Disposal.